Nurse Next Door Services Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get home healthcare wrong. They assume it's limited or impersonal. The surprising truth about Nurse Next Door is that it combines professional care, companionship, and flexible scheduling, and you won't believe how much peace of mind it can provide families. Here's how it works. Nurse Next Door provides in-home care for seniors, including personal care, medication reminders, meal preparation, and companionship. Caregivers are vetted, trained, and matched to clients' needs. Families can manage schedules and monitor care through a dedicated platform. For example, a family caring for a senior with limited mobility can arrange daily visits for medication assistance, hygiene support, and social engagement. Most people get this wrong. They think home care is generic, but Nurse Next Door emphasizes individualized care plans and trained caregivers. Additional benefits include Alzheimer's and dementia support, overnight care, and specialized programs for safety and wellness. Users praise professionalism, empathy, and reliability. However, there are considerations. Costs vary based on level and duration of care. Most people assume home care is inconsistent. Nurse Next Door focuses on consistent, high-quality support tailored to each client. In conclusion, Nurse Next Door is ideal for families seeking trustworthy, compassionate, and flexible in-home care for seniors. Subscribe for more honest reviews of senior care services.